Hi everyone, we are having a very effective webinar series under the theme of Industrial Water and Wastewater Management and Challenges and Solutions. So today we are going to have the fifth webinar, and that's going to be focusing on a very much timely important topic, that is on sensing, digitization and water. So before getting into the webinar, usually we would like to remind you a couple of instructions. So please make sure to mute your microphones and switch off your cameras as well. So if you got any interesting question or comment, please put up all them into the chat box, or you got another facility for Q&A section. Then our panelists will be very much keen to respond to you during the session. If they missed anything, they will come back, contact you later. So the webinar series was arranged together with by the Joint Research and Demonstration Centre of Water Technology under the Ministry of Water Supply Sri Lanka, together with the University of Peradeniya, especially the Faculty of Engineering, and RMIT Australia. So this is, as I said, so the webinar is done with the Joint Research and Demonstration Centre. Let me just introduce Joint Research and Demonstration Centre. As you see over there, we got a facility where we have advanced testing kept on the right hand corner, and then we are getting the administration block and the accommodation facility as well. This is a full-fledged facility. We got the piloting area as well as for the lecturing and all administrative activities. We got the facility over there. So let's have the video on JRDC.
In year 2018, September 28th, Joint Research and Demonstration Center for Water Technology, JRDC, started construction, marking the official approval for the establishment of Joint Center for Water and Technology Research and Demonstration.
The China-Sri Lanka Joint Research and Demonstration Center for Water Technology has come into effect after signing of a MOU between both countries in year 2015. I believe that both Chinese party as well as Sri Lankan party has worked hard to understand the special objectives of this project and come to an agreement which can lead for smooth project execution.
Sri Lanka project team consists of Ministry of Water Supply, Ministry of Health, National Water Supply and Drainage Board, NWSDB, and experts from the University of Peradeniya. It formed a cooperation scheme to integrate resources from the governmental agencies, enterprises, universities, and research institutes of both countries, and explored a cooperation model of human capacity building, cooperation development of technologies, implementation of solutions by enterprises. The cooperation team covers interdisciplinary high-level experts from different cooperations, proficient in water sciences, geology, medical sciences, and public health.
Strengthening our historical relationship between China and Sri Lanka. This time the Chinese government has come forward to help us in establishing a research and demonstration laboratory in Peradeniya.
As a result, we have now initiated this several MOUs we have signed.
I feel JRDC will be a door for us to connect east and west of the world. So we want to make Sri Lanka is in a very important position in Indian Ocean.
I think Sri Lanka and China collaboration is lifetime.
From shore to shore, it seems, wide at high tide, before fair wind a single sail is lifting. Sri Lanka Joint Research and Demonstration Center for Water Technology aims to be a global partner in water, environment, and health research, offering a platform to promote North-South and South-South dialogue and a good model of science and technology cooperation under the Belt and Road Initiative. JRDC consists of high-technology analytical facilities, covering water, environment, and health-related aspects. The Volatile Organic Laboratory is mainly dedicated for volatile pesticides, disinfection byproducts as well and other volatile organic residues. Inorganic Laboratory is mainly dedicated for heavy metals, anion, and cation analysis. Non-volatile Organic Laboratory is capable of analyzing organic pesticides and residuals. Moreover, there is a laboratory for the biological parameter analysis. Not only that, but also JRDC have a high technology conference facilities as well as accommodations for researchers. We cordially invite you to join with us. Make water clean and sweet.
Today we are going to talk about sensing, digitization and water. And I am very much privileged to welcome the moderator for today. He is Professor Janaka Bandara Ekanayaka. He is the Chair Professor of Electrical and Electronic Engineering of the University of Peradeniya. He obtained his BSc Engineering with a first class honours from the University of Peradeniya in 1990 and the PhD from University of Manchester Institute of Science and Technology UK in 1995. He is a visiting professor of Cardiff University UK and honorary professor of the University of Wollongong, Australia. So Professor Ekanayaka is a fellow of IEEE USA, IET UK and ISS Sri Lanka. So he is the only Sri Lankan to hold fellowships of the three major electrical engineering professional bodies. He has been a Royal Society and Commonwealth Fellow at the University of Manchester Institute of Science and Technology UK in 1997 and 2001. He is also a chartered engineer of UK and Sri Lanka. So it's my privilege to welcome you, sir, for the event today.